Nowadays, almost anyone can make money online, and depending on your unique self, there is always something that you can do to start making money online. In this video, I am going to share with you 4 online business models that I am sure you can find at least one that you can evaluate and start going after. But before we get started, I want to remind you that this video is not a get rich quick without doing nothing kind of video. All the 4 online business models that I am going to share with you in this video require some work and it takes some time. It's not something that you can do today and start making money by the end of maybe next day. But the great thing about all these business models is none of these 4 business models will require any money investment, any initial money investment, and that often up the opportunity for almost everyone. And just remember, every day we are online. Every day you went online, whether you check news website, whether you go to social media, whatever you do, every day we are all online. So how cool will it be if you just make your money online? And also, the amount of money that you can make online is going to be very hard for you to do something offline, to do something, maybe get a job or do whatever, or start a business where you live and make the amount of money that you can make if you build some online business model. Okay, without any more delay, let's just get started. And the very first one, of course, is going to be freelancing, because I personally believe freelancing is the fastest way to start making money online. And if you have been following me for a while, I am sure you know a lot about freelancing. But let's just go through freelancing quickly. Freelancing is generally when you offer your skills, you offer your services, you offer your time to client in exchange for money. You offer value in exchange for money. And how it works is you just choose a service, something like a graphic design, something like content writing, something like video editing. You then go to a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. You create your freelancer account. You start sending proposals to clients, and depending on the type of service that you are offering, you choose a rate for your service. You get as many clients as you can handle. Because of the way freelancing works, it is one of the fastest way to start making money online, because if you already have a skill, if you already know how to do maybe even a basic graphic design or basic video editing or audio editing, it is possible for you to create your account, to create your freelancer account on Upwork or Fiverr, start sending proposals and find your first client within just a few days. So with freelancing, you have a chance of starting making money online within a few days of getting started. And you absolutely don't need to put any money, you don't need to invest any money into anything when you are doing freelancing. And if you don't have enough knowledge of freelancing, I have a ton of videos that will guide you through from the very beginning, from step 1 up to the moment where you will find your first client. So if you are interested in freelancing, simply go to the description of this video. I will have a quick start guide that you can follow in order to start freelancing. Okay, the next one is going to be affiliate marketing, but not traditional affiliate marketing, and not the type of affiliate marketing that I see many people, especially beginners, going after. What affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product or services. When the people you promote to make a purchase, you get a cut. You get a commission. For example, if I am offering maybe coaching services, coaching related service, and my coaching maybe costs $200, and I have an affiliate program, you can share my coaching services to people who you feel it will benefit them. And when they sign up, you get maybe 5% or 10% or even 25% of the initial price they paid. For example, if you go to Amazon, almost every single product on Amazon is in the affiliate program. So you can simply just share any product to anyone, and when they buy the product, Amazon will pay you a commission. And also there are a lot of independent services and products that offer affiliate program. First, let me tell you the wrong way to do affiliate marketing. And the wrong way to do affiliate marketing is you sign off, you get a link, and you start sharing the link with your family and friends. That is the wrong way to do affiliate marketing, and if you follow that route, you are not going to make any money, because most likely the service or the product you share with your family and friends, they are not even interested in it. And even if they are interested in it, how many people did you personally know that you can share your link with? I'm guessing it's not much. And what I hate the most is when people share a link with me and say share it with 3 of your friends. That is something I absolutely hate, and most people hate it also. So if you choose to do affiliate marketing this way, then you are on the wrong path and you are not going to make any money. Okay, now let me tell you the right way to do affiliate marketing. The right way to do affiliate marketing is to build an audience. To build an audience who are interested in something very specific. A clear example is you are watching this video, you are interested in making money online, right? So if I want to create an audience who are looking to make money online, what I can do is I can create maybe a social media pages. If I create a Facebook group, I create an Instagram page, I can even start affiliate marketing with these two. What I just need to do is I start creating content about making money online. On Instagram, I can create carousels, I can create text-based posts in the group or page or Facebook page. I will start creating a post like 5 tips to make money online, something like this. I will start creating content that will attract people who are interested in making money online. And this is just an example. If you choose any kind of niche, any niche that you choose, maybe if you are interested in technology, in modern technology, you create social media pages about modern technology, and you post about new inventions, you post about some improvement to the current gadgets that we use. If maybe Boston Dynamics create a new humanoid robot, you post about it. If there is a new software that will help you optimize your daily use of technology, you make a post about it. You share some tips on how to not get addicted to technology. This is how you build an audience who are interested in something specific. And even only if you use social media, you will be able to maybe build an audience of 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers, and then you have the opportunity to start real affiliate marketing. When you have an audience who read your post, then you can sign up for affiliate marketing. If maybe you are posting about technology, then you can just find some cool tech gadget, or you can go to Amazon and find some cool tech gadget. You sign up for their affiliate, you make a post about the product, and you share your affiliate link. People who are going to read your post, they are already interested in what you are talking about, so they are naturally interested in the product that you shared. Then you have a chance that some of them are going to convert. So this is the right way to do affiliate marketing. And as you can see, affiliate marketing takes a little time because you need to build an audience. Relying on your family and friends is never going to build an affiliate marketing business for you. Okay, enough about affiliate marketing. The next one is content creation. And content creation is vast. There are a lot of things under content creation, and for that reason there are a lot of monetization options for content creation. Let me start with the most obvious one. The most obvious one is creating blog content. You create a simple website and you start posting. You start posting articles, blog content. Then your content will have a chance of ranking in the search engine, ranking on Google, and you sign up for something like AdSense. You put ads on your website, and when people visit your website, they see ads. Based on the type of ad that you put on your website, they may be based on impression, or after they click an ad on your website, you get paid. So if we choose the writing blog articles route, is easy to get started because you can simply create a website with a template. All you need to do is do a quick research. Do just quick research on YouTube, and you will be able to find how to set up a quick blog that you can start writing your articles on. And regarding the website itself, it will be a good idea to sign up for a domain name, to buy a domain name that is a website name, www.yourname.com. It will be a good idea to sign up for a domain name. It costs about $12 per year, and then you sign up for hosting. Hosting also costs about $30, I think, depending on the hosting service that you choose to sign up for. And that is the only cost. With this domain and hosting, you can have a professional website that you can start posting your articles on. But if you don't want to post, if you don't want to pay anything initially, There are services, there are places that you can create a free website. You can even create a website on WordPress.com, not WordPress.org. WordPress.com is free. You can create a free website on WordPress.com and you can start posting your blog articles on WordPress.com. And how it works is similar to affiliate marketing. You choose a niche. Maybe you choose technology niche and you start writing articles about technology. And the articles you write, based on how good they are and based on how search engine optimized they are, they can rank in Google, so that when someone is searching for something, they will find your article, they read your article, and they see ads on your articles, inside your articles. For example, if you write an article about how to avoid technology addiction, or maybe 4 tips on how to avoid technology addiction, maybe people who are searching for technology addiction, they will find your articles on Google, Bing, whatever they use to search. And when they visit your pages, they read your articles, they can subscribe to your newsletter, and they will see your ads, your Google AdSense ads. And based on how many ads they see, and based on how many ads they interact with, Google AdSense will pay you. So this is the first route of content creation. But in my opinion, it is not the best. Because in order to start making money that will matter, you will need to have a lot of traffic, or you will need to have a very loyal audience. If you have big traffic, then you can rely on ads. If you have loyal audience, then you can rely on affiliate marketing in your content. I think the better way and more efficient content creation method is using YouTube. And when I say YouTube, you don't need to get scared about showing your face. There are a lot of things that you can do on YouTube. There are a lot of YouTube channels that you can create. You start posting content without ever showing your face, without even saying a word in it. I had a YouTube channel. That was my very first YouTube channel. What I did is I just record my phone screen, my mobile phone screen, playing a mobile game, playing Power Rangers, and I just post the gameplay in my YouTube channel. And then I have another YouTube channel where I simply do craft. And what I did is, at that time, it was years ago, I had that channel. And that channel, what I just use is a Techno mobile phone. I have a Techno mobile phone, and the camera was very blurry. It was very blurry, and that is what I used. I used that mobile phone camera to record a craft video. I record my hands making maybe a flower out of paper. Sometimes I record myself creating some origami, folding some papers. That's what I did. And the most popular video on that channel, I think, has about 12,000 views. And I recorded it with a Techno mobile phone. Even though the video is very blurry, I didn't say a word, I just had a background music. The video has over 12,000 views. So you see, that is an opportunity. You don't need to show your face, you don't even need to say anything. So this means if you have a smartphone, you can just get started on YouTube content creation. Okay, the fourth method is creating and selling digital product. Digital product is any type of product that is hosted on a computer or on a mobile phone. You don't have the product physically on your hand. Digital product can be an ebook, it can be an audio file, it can be an image. There are a lot of things that you can sell digitally. In this current world of AI, it's very easy to write. So almost anything you want to write, AI can help you do it. So you can just simply find a niche, find a topic, create an ebook and sell it on Amazon. Or you can create graphic, very nice graphic, upload it to platform like Etsy or Redbubble, attach it to your product and start selling it without spending anything. You can even take stock photos and sell it on a platform like Adobe. So selling digital product is very easy to get started, but it is a lot more competitive. So if you choose to follow the digital product route, then just know that it will take a lot more effort and strategy, because it is very easy to just create an ebook or to create graphic and sell on Redbubble. It is a lot more competitive, and because it is a lot more competitive, it is a little bit harder to start making money. So what you can do is do some research, build a strategy, whether that is creating a lot product, a lot nice products so that you increase your chances. Whatever you do, I am not an expert in selling digital products really. So if you want to follow this route, you just need to do a quick search and find some good and reliable product to start selling. Create the digital product and build a strategy on how you can attract people to your digital product. Okay, that's it. Those are the 4 online business models that I believe almost anyone can choose anyone from the 4 and start going after. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.